We will consider integration from -1 to 1 f of x dx. We want to integrate -1 to 1 f of x dx. So for that, let us take this is equal to w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2. Here we take nodes x1 and x2, or in other words, we take x1 and x2 points. So this is known as the 2-point form. This is known as a 2-point form. And is equal to 2. So now here where W1 and W2 are base, are known as base, known as base. X1 and X2 are known as point or some here it is those. They are all constants. So look at here. For calculating this, we need to find the value of W1, W2, X1 and X2. So for that we have 4 unknowns. So we will consider f of s is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube. We will consider f of x as a third degree polynomial. And call this is 1. So from 1, integration from -1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to integration from -1 to 1. We replace the value of f of x as third degree polynomial, that is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus x cube dx. Let us take integration. Integration of a0 is constant, so a0x plus a1x square by 2 plus a2x cube by 3 plus a cube x is to 4 by 4 k minus 1. Now we will put the value. So that is equal to bracket input value 1 and what we have a0 plus a1 by 2 plus a2 by 3 plus a3 by 4 minus -1 then minus a0 plus a1 by 2 minus a2 by 3 plus a3 by 4. Now if we open the bracket, then what we have? If we open the bracket, then we get a0 minus a0. So minus minus plus a0, so we have 2 times a0. a1 by 2 minus a1 by 2, so this will be cut out. Then plus a2 by 3 minus a2, so minus minus plus, so we got 2a2 by 3. And this is a3 by 4, a3 by 4, we cancel out. So we got integration from -1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 2a0 plus 2a2 by 3. For now once again, from 1, what is w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2, that is equal to w1. So what is f of x1? So here f of x is a0 plus a1x plus a2x plus a3x cube. So f of x1 is a0 plus a1x1 plus a2x1 square plus a3x1 cube plus w2. Similarly, what is f of x2? A0 plus A1 x2 plus A2 x2 square plus A3 x2 cube. Okay. Now you can here we want to compare this term with this term. So we need to find out the coefficient of A0 and A2. So for that, let us simplify this. So if I write this is equal to A0, then what is the common? W1 plus W2 plus A1, then what is? If I take A1 common, then what we have? W1 x1 plus W2 x2. So W1 x1 plus W2 x2. For A2 it will become W1 x1 square plus W2 x2 square plus A3 become W1 x1 cube plus W2 x2 cube. For it 3. Now look at here. We obtain from LHS side of equation 1. Please obtain from LHS side of equation 1. It means these both are equal. These steps and these steps are equal. Okay? So comparing coefficients in equation 2 and 3. So let us start from A0. So first start from A0. What is the coefficient of A0 in equation number 3? It is W1 plus W2. Coefficient of W1 plus W2. Very. This is W1 plus W2. Here what it is? 2. So it is 2. Now let us compare A1, coefficient of A1, A2 and A3. So what about A1? This is from A1. So here there is no A1, so we can write A1 as a 0. Or then we can write this is 0 into A1 plus 0 into A3. So look at here, Wx1 plus W2x2 is equal to 0. So what about A2? A2 के लिए क्या आएगा? W1 x1 square x2 square is equal to क्या आएगा? Correct, 2 by 3. A2 के लिए what is the coefficient of A2? 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3. What about A3? क्या आएगा? 0. So look at here, once again I repeat that the comparing equation 2 and 3 both are equal. So it's not so we can compare its coefficient. First we compare coefficient of A0. So that is W1 plus W2 equation number 3. और तुम्हें क्या है 2. So W1 W2 is equal to 2. Similarly for all. Now solving this, what we need to find out? We find these values W1, W2, x1, x2. So by solving this four equation, by solving these equations, we get you can get W1 plus W2 equal to 2. Just you have to solve this. In homework you can solve. So W1 is equal to 1, W2 equal to 1. X1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 and X2 is equal to plus 1 by 3. Okay. So finally, question 2 formula is given by integration from -1 f of x dx. Look at here, W1 is 1, W2 is 1, so I commit it. So it can easily written by -1 by 3 per f of 1 by 3. Is it your Gaussian integration formula for 2.4?